In this short video, I will explain to you how to install ChatGPT plugins on ChatGPT. First, open up chat.openai.com and then start a new chat. Next, click on ChatGPT 3.5 or 4.0 and then select plugins. Then click on no plugin installed. Scroll down. I already have some plugins. And click on plugin store. Here you can scroll through all the plugins that are available for ChatGPT, but I already found one and it's called Web Pilot. Next, click on install and then wait for it to install and then close this window. Now you can select the plugin right here and then just start typing.